Welcome back to CapexForexTrading.com. In this lesson, we're going to discuss another reversal pattern called the Morningstar pattern. So in terms of its definition, the Morningstar pattern comprises of three candles. The first is a strong black candle that you can see here. The second is a candle whose color does not matter. And the third is a strong white candle. Now, the Morningstar pattern always occurs at the bottom of a downtrend. So it's its sole purpose to take the current downtrend and reverse it back up in the upwards direction. In terms of the rule for the Morningstar pattern, the first candle always has to be a strong black candle that you can see here. The second candle is a small spinning top that opens and closes at or below the first black candle's close, which you can see here. The third candle has to be a strong white candle that opens at or above the second candle's close, and it also has to close more than halfway into the first black candle's real body, so that you can see there. Now, if this white candle closed in this area here, this pattern would not qualify as a Morningstar pattern. So in terms of our example, what we've got here is a Morningstar pattern. Now, first of all, here we've got a strong black candle. The second candle is a small spinning top. And lastly, the third candle is a strong white candle. Now, because Forex is a 24-hour market, what we don't see are gaps in the market on a regular basis. So what you usually find is that the candle's open is usually the same level as the previous candle's close. And that's exactly what we've got here. So we've got a strong black candle that's followed by a small spinning top that opened at the same level as the first black candle. Then it closed below that level. Now, the white candle, rather than opening above the spinning top, which is the second candle, it actually opened at the same level as the close of the second candle. And then it closed more than halfway into the first black candle's real body. So despite this change in rules, the actual pattern is still valid. And as you can see, it has taken this downtrend and reversed it back up in the upwards direction. So one thing you must not do is place a buy every time that you see a Morningstar pattern. The reason why is because this type of pattern occurs in the market regularly, and you need a lot more confirmation to take this trade. Okay, so that concludes this lesson. So as always, if you have any questions or comments, do let us know, and we shall see you for the next lesson.